Sir. E is for egg, crack it wide. F is for fish, F it swims inside. G is for goat, go chewing grass. H is for hat, off it blasts. I is for igloo, it's so cold. J is for jam, J sticky to hold. K is for kite, kite, up it flies. L is for lamp, below shining bright skies. M is for mother, sip your tea. N is for net, nen, catch a bee. O is for ox, big and strong. P is for pen, poo, write a song. Q is for queen, cool, royal and grand. R is for rat, runs on the sand. S is for sun, bright and high. T is for top, watch it fly. U is for umbrella, keep it dry. V is for fan, sitting by. W is for web, spider's net. X is for fox, you won't forget. Y is for yak, furry and tall. Z is for zebra, stripes for all. Let's make the sounds loud and clear. Phonics fun is always near. E is for igloo, it's so cold. J is for jam, J sticky to hold. K is for kite, kite, up it flies. L is for lamp, low, shining bright skies.